Oh, kena kutu lu kasar lemah lihat ini.
Kere porak sadona si porak cata.
Sadona ठीक deh tuh.
Oh
yang tuh charter list thang head deh.
Kasar nih.
Now, match is going on between Department of Education Department of Economics versus Kopolo. After this match, we'll have inauguration program. After the inauguration program, there will be an exhibition match between the faculties and between the students. So, all the faculties, please be ready for your match. And the students who are going to play in that match, get ready for that too. And after that match, we will have a match in between philosophy versus geography department. So kindly for the team prepare for the next match. As soon as after this match, we will have a inauguration program of this tournament, 7 side inter-department football tournament. So I request all the spectators to stay with the inauguration program and witness the interesting match between faculties and students.
Vlog nih sini cek dari pak. Bus kan sini nama. Wow. Messi.
Moving towards the match program. We will have a formal inauguration program of the 7 side inter-department football tournament. I, S.M. Farooq, on behalf of the Department of Physical Education and on my personal behalf, would like to extend my warm welcomes and greetings to all the distinguished guests and to all the participants from different departments gathered over here to witness and to participate in the 7 side inter-department football tournament. I would like to extend my warm welcome and greetings to our Chancellor, Professor I also extend my warm welcome to our faculties for giving their valuable time. To proceed the function, I would like to request our authors to kindly adorn the scenery with a present as a welcome gesture to this 7 side inter-department football tournament. May I now request our Referee Dr. Prasanta Kumar Das to kindly do the honor of felicitating the Honorable Chief Guest, Vice Chancellor of this university, Professor Ganga Prasad present. Thank you, sir. Now I request our respected Assistant Professor Dr. Krishnan Dudar to kindly felicitate our respected HOD Dr. Prasanta Kumar Das. Thank you, sir. May I now request our respected Assistant Professor Dr. Krishnan Dudar to kindly felicitate the HOD Department of Statistics, Dr. Samrat Kaur. Again, I request our respected Assistant Professor Dr. Sandeep Kumar Bhumi.